This is a video which I am inclined, you call it forced, or my conscience dictates me that I had to speak on this subject, where I received a lot of calls from my friends, my well-wishers, asking me as to why the Congress party is silent on the issue of the Karnataka government, the Backward and Minority Welfare Department, who has issued and proposed a survey on Christian missionaries and place of worship. Now, this is absolutely a very mischievous game. हे फक्त असले कायदे हाडप, असले सर्क्युलर हाडप म्हणजे केस्तांव करप आनी केस्तांव करून धर्मा मदकात ते समजता की आमी राज्य चलयतले म्हणून. दे आर मिस्टेकन अबाउट दिस. The Archbishop of Bangalore, Reverend Peter Machado, has very politely, but I must say firmly reacted to the proposed survey and has appealed to the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Bommai, whom he regards and he publicly states as a broad-minded and enlightened person. And he has appealed to him not to succumb to the pressures of these fundamentalist groups who are trying to put pressure and get this type of surveys done. This type of laws also they are talking of getting an anti-conversion law. This country has lived for so many years during the British, after the British, Hindus, Christians, Muslims like brothers. What is Hinduism at the end of the day? It's an inclusiveness, kindness. Now, I would like to ask one question. Are the fundamentalist organizations like the Dals, the Parishads, and their activities, who venom is spewed out, hatred is spewed out, which finally results in violence? Are these organizations surveyed? Are they checked? Has any time any action taken about these activities that are happening which creates more division than unity? I know Hindus are, my majority of the friends are Hindus. Very secular people. We had great secular leaders like Gandhi, Nehru, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. What is all this going on? They believed in kindness. They believed in fairness. They believed in inclusiveness. See the Hindus abroad. They shine in their own careers. Why? Because they have learned the art of winning and living. Just 2 days ago, the Chief Minister of Goa proudly, I say proudly, and I say rightfully also, portrays himself as a member of this organization, takes part in the rally, displays himself as a proud member of the organization. Look at this video. Why do I say he is rightfully? Because it is that very organization that has brought him to the status that he is. He is loyal to his organization, fair enough. But the CM should understand and also know that it is my faith that has brought me and made me what I am. And therefore, I appeal to the Chief Minister to speak to his counterpart in Karnataka and convince him to stop such a survey which will do more harm than any good. Now we have our MLAs who are supporting this Chief Minister in Goa who are professing Christianity, I appeal to them to publicly denounce, condemn and demand from the BJP in Goa and BJP and the CM of Goa and from none other than the Prime Minister and the Home Minister to direct the Karnataka government to stop such a survey which is targeting the Christian community, and that will put the Christian missionaries a very open situation for these mischievous elements to target them. From the coming, they should appeal to the Prime Minister and Home Minister and tell the Chief Minister, if this is not done, we will walk out from the party and not contest the assembly elections on the BJP party ticket. If they believe the BJP, who is silently observing all this, what is happening, by saying that it is their decision, it is this fellow's decision, therefore it is not the party decision, then I would like to tell them that they will not able to cow down the missionaries. The missionaries will win this battle by prayer. They should understand that more things are wrought by prayer than this world dreams of. I hope our altar boys in Goa rise up to the occasion, failing which I hope and pray their conscience will not force them to take the steps Judas took. Thank you.